Um, I suppose because I think of education as educating the whole child for life. And what we found in British education is that a lot of teachers were simply teaching to the test, that children were coming out too spoon fed. And so we wanted to get back to a much more liberal view of education, so that you put the whole child there and that you were about developing these capacities for them to become fully rounded learners and then fully rounded members of society. Because for me, I think it's probably the first time that somebody in the form of Professor Guy Claxton, who's actually looked around and said really hard, what is it that good learners do? What do they do socially? What do they do emotionally? What do they do cognitively? And what do they do about themselves as a learner? What responsibility do they have to take in order to become a 21st century learner? And put it into some sort of framework. So many of us as professionals have had all this in our heads, but it's been a bit scattered about. And somebody has sort of pulled it together in a neat framework so we can say, aha, now we see how all this fits together, now we can do something about it.
I pretend my heart's not on fire if you steal my true love's name, broke down subway in the city of spires.